Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight I'm going to be working on getting a front diffuser, spoiler, wing, I don't know what you want to call it. It's the little wing that's going to go on the bottom of the front of the bumper. So what I got here was a wing that goes on the back of a hatchback, like a Honda Civic hatchback, something or other. Not on the trunk, but actually on the top, like you put on like a little Mini Cooper or something like that. And I'm gonna actually make a bracket to mount this up front, and obviously I'll paint it to match the back wing as well, and I might even shape it a little bit. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got and get this thing bolted together. Remember guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell at the bottom to check out my newest videos. Alright guys, let's get her done. Alright guys, so there's the wing. Got it off Amazon. Those brackets are a little bit shorter than the other one I have. It's because it's built for a hatchback. So you put it on top of the car, not the trunk. I'm actually going to take those brackets and turn them around so that this is pointing forward, not backwards. And then I'll probably lift it up a little bit and see how it looks in the front. So let's go ahead and get all this plastic off. Okay, obviously when I get all said and done with the mocking up and everything, I will paint it to match the rear one. And I might even cut these at an angle like I did with the rear one. We'll see, but for now I just want to put the side plates on and see what it looks like in the front. So here's the side plates. Gonna take those two bolts off right there. We're gonna mount this on just like that. Okay. So the rear one is not square. You can see that the rear one's actually at an angle. So I'll probably try to match that. So let's go ahead and get this plastic off and get those mounts swapped around. So I got those side pieces on. I got these things swapped. As far as these go, I don't think there's a true direction you can put them on. You can have this pointing up. You can have flat edge pointing up. However you want to run it, that looks good to you, go ahead and do that. I chose to put the flat edge up and the curved edge down below. Now when this is all said and done, it's actually going to be sitting somewhat like this on the front of the car. I'm hoping it's going to look good. I might do a little bit of adjustment to it to maybe get a little steeper, maybe get a little less steep. We'll see when I get it up front, but more than likely this is the angle it's going to sit at. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what it's going to look like on the front of the car. Alright guys, so I got the wing all bolted together. Put it in the front of the car just to kind of see how it's going to look. I like it. So what's next is I got to figure out what I'm going to attach to here to the front beam or bumper or whatever, wherever I'm going to attach it. I think I'm going to go to the beam, and originally I had this guy. You guys probably saw this in another video. I think I'm going to reuse the mounting on it. I think I'll remake this guy because I want it to go a little bit longer, and I'm going to actually bend it down. So that's kind of where I'm headed with all this. So let's go ahead and get this thing laid out and see what I need to do to get this thing mounted to this. All right.